Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I thought I'd jump on here today to share the prizes for the FP Handmade's 10-year anniversary celebration, the grand prize. So the drawing will be held on Friday. I'll post that video pretty early so you'll know if you're a winner. And what I decided to do is, instead of just having one grand prize winner, I'd have one grand prize winner and then two runner-ups. So I wanted to share with you what those prizes were. For the, let's see, for this third place winner, you will receive the following. These are some few items that I picked up recently that I found local Joann that, they must have went through their stash and found some older Maggie Holmes items. So I got this Maggie Holmes embossed die cut sheet from Sunny Days. I really like that. I've always liked that one. And then from Pebbles, this cute little stamp set. Also, this cute little stamp set from Pebbles. And then from Maker's Movement, I purchased these dies. This is the Oval Nested Essentials. And then we have the Stitch Flare Essentials. Hope I'm in frame. And then just the regular French Flare Essentials. So this is for the second place prize winner, or the third place, I think. And for second place, we have these Maggie Holmes puffy stickers. And this is from, which collection? Oh, Confetti. And then we have from Sunny Days, these cute little stickers again. From the Good Vibes collection, we have these cute little kind of like desert puffy stamps. They're puffy. And then from Pebbles, the stamp set again. Pebbles, the stamp set again. And then from Nested Ovals, from Maker's Movement, the Nested Ovals Essentials, the Stitch French Flare, and the French Flare. So that's for the second place winner. So these will be drawn on Friday. And then for the first place winner, let me have a small box of goodies. And I hope you like them. So it's probably huge in the, let me put it off to the side here. Can share. So from Impression Obsession, these ink sets, ink cubes. And you know they are going out of business, so you no longer can get these, but I thought they would be cute to add to the prize. And then a stamp, what's this called? I don't even know what this is called. Sorry. Well, I'm sure you know, to put your stamps on so you can stamp them. And it does have like a real thin sheet covering it that you can peel off, so it'll be nice and crystal clear. And then this cute little Easter washi tape. Isn't that cute? Super cute. And then kind of pull the rest of these items out. Okay, from Serendipity, this cute little die set, the teapot. From Spellbinders, the little birthday dinosaur. From scrapbook.com, this mini cat. This actually was a freebie that I received with the order, and I just thought I'd put this in here too. Then from the Easter collection here, these cute little butterflies. I guess I took them out and made them turn over. From the Good Vibes set, these puffy stickers. From Memory Box, this Happy Heart collage. Isn't that cute? Die. From Sunny Days, the embossed die cuts. From the Confetti collection from Maggie Holmes, the puffy stickers. And then I have some Easter ephemera here. This is dimensional stickers, flat stickers, and then some puffy stickers. How cute are these? Look at that little bee. He's a little chunky. And then the step set from Pebbles. This stamp set from Stampendous. Super cute. I love how they give you ideas on how to color the stamped images. And then from Pebbles, the stamp set too. Look at that the neck on that turtle. It's so cute. And then from Spellbinders, the Stitch Fan card front. Super cute. Also from Spellbinders, this is one of their big sellers. I believe the Big Bow Blooms. Bebo Blooms. Sorry, Bebo. I love using this and when I'm making cards. It's some really pretty florals. From Concord and Ninth, this cute little boot cut dies. From Spellbinders, the small die of the month from November 2023. Man, I'm tired. And it sounds like I'm tired. Then from Makers Movement, these dies. And this was the freebie that came with the order, so I'm attaching that one. And this is the oval nested dies. The French Flare Nested Essentials. And then the Stitch French Flare Nested Essential. And then last but not least, this Waffle Flower Grip Mat, 5.5 by 8.5 grip mat. So there you go. Those are the prizes. I hope you are excited about possibly winning if you provided all the right answers to the questions over the week. So I'm excited for Friday to come and for you to win. So stay tuned to Friday for the drawing. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome. You may want to consider subscribing. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.